everybody, welcome back to my channel. I do hope you guys are having a great day so far. I am trying to get this video recorded, get it uploaded, edited, all of that good stuff to YouTube because, well, I haven't recorded a video in about 2 days now. So I have been busy. Also, I've been taking VTO. So my first paycheck for February, yeah, it's going to be extra low, but it's okay. We're going to budget around it anyway. If you are new to my channel, my name is Desiree, and I do all things cash budgeting. So here is my, let me move my mouse pad out the way. So here is my monthly for the month of February. I'm using what I got pretty much. So let's go ahead and jump in and get started. So I'm not going to write my bills out on this because I'm going to write my bills out on this page and I don't want to repeat anything. Remember, I do also keep my bills in my calendar as well. Also, once 2 o'clock come, if I'm still in the process of recording this video, I may have to come back and finish because I'm going to clock out at 2 and it is 1:47 now. So when it comes to the income, and I am using, let's see if it'll show, friction erasable pen, just in case I need to change some things. So when it comes to my income, I'm pretty much budgeting off the very lowest amount that I may end up making for the month. So we're just going to do $2,050. Now, of course, I would have did more, but remember, I've been taking VTO, which is voluntary time off, for the last 2 weeks or so. So I'm not getting paid. Of course, we do have voluntary time off where we can get paid using our PTO, but I want to keep my PTO. Also, I do have extra cash available just in case I need it, but I'm not going to budget that at the moment. When it comes to the extra income, I'm going to do $550, but that amount can be more as well. So when we add both of those up, we have $2,600. When it comes to offering, the offering would typically be $205 based off of my income. And to make sure I did that correct, I'm going to do 2050 times 0.10 equals 205. And remember, I have to subtract $42 from the 205, which is the amount that my mom and sister pay towards my mom's life insurance. So that leaves me with the amount of $163 that's going towards offering, which makes my budget income $2,437. And let's see if that's change included. I don't believe so. So minus 163. Nope. Just 2,437 to budget with. When it comes to the bills, my bills are pretty much all the same. I did add stars because my mom had it with her Dish account and I guess she canceled it. And y'all know I watch Power, so I need to be able to see that. So that's the only thing that's different. I am budgeting for Netflix and Hulu for the next month. So when it comes to AT&T, of course, that bill is $59 and some change, but I'm just going to round that total amount up to $60. When it comes to Nashville Electric Service, that bill is actually higher than I paid for December at $152. For December, the utility bill was about $94. So as you can see, we really been having the heat on and using it. When it comes to medical, remember I still owe Vanderbilt $480, which was the last time I checked was, I don't know, yesterday. So I still owe them. And of course, I am not in a rush to pay them off. I may come up with a plan to pay them off, but I'm in no rush right now. When it comes to the 17th, we do want to budget for Straight Talk, and that's for 2 phone lines for $99.83. When it comes to Hulu, Hulu gets charged to one of my credit cards, and that amount is $1.08. And if you are new to my channel, every year Hulu comes up with a new plan or a deal for Black Friday, and I typically renew or cancel the current subscription that I have and go ahead and grab the new one for whatever price it may be. When it comes to the 28th, we have State Farm. When it comes to State Farm, remember that is for renter's insurance, car insurance, 2 life insurance policies for $188.66. Also, when it comes to the 28th, remember I did just add stars, and stars, I kind of got a discount. It's $5.46. When it comes to rent, $465, which I will split into 2. When it comes to Netflix, until that price go up, it's going to be $9.84. If we go through, and I can do this with you guys on my calculator. Hopefully you're able to see this. So we have $6 plus 122 plus 60 plus 99.83 plus 108 plus 188.66 plus $5.46 plus rent 75 plus 984 equals $1,341.87. So I'm just going to write that down. As if you're wondering why I've been taking so much VTO. So my brother-in-law finally made it here to Nashville with my sister. I did have to go meet my uncle halfway because my sister have bad anxiety, and he did have surgery. Instead of the surgery being on a Tuesday, he ended up having surgery on a Thursday. And he do have peripheral artery disease. He's also double I can't say that word to save my life. Double amputee. This will be his last surgery, so he's doing fine at the moment. Back to the budget. So we have $1,341.87. If we subtract that from the budget income, this is the amount that we have left. So $1,095.13. And I do have 5 more minutes to go, which I'm pretty sure I can get through this video by then. So $1,095.13. So now that I have enough money left, I can go ahead, and I just want to put $100 towards March bills just in case I need it. And now, wait, did I add that? Yeah, so $1,095.13 minus 100 equals $995.13 is what I'm working with for cash envelopes and savings. So when it comes to food, I noticed that food is still increasing. Now with the last budget, I did budget for $160 every bi-week, but this time I'm going to do $170, so that's $340 for food. When it comes to gas, gas keeps going up, going down. If you've seen my Instagram posts or Instagram stories, you've seen where gas went up at Sam's Club to $2.96, and then it went up to a little over $3. So I'm just going to budget $100. When it comes to spending, I'm not really going to give myself that much, so we're just going to do $30. When it comes to giving, I'm going to do $10. When it comes to house, I'm going to do $20. When it comes to laundry, I'm going to do $40. And when it comes to, which I totally forgot about again, I just forgot to write it out. So I am also going to budget for just in case, which is just in case I need a little extra cash. So I'm going to do $20. And if we add all of that together, it should equal to $550, but since I messed up, let's just double check. This is the problem. Gas is the problem. So gas, I originally budgeted for $100 for gas, and then I changed my mind to do $90. So let's do it again. 40, 90, 30, 10, 20, 40, 20, $5.50, which is right. So now that we know that cash envelopes gets $5.50 for the entire month, if we subtract that from 9, 9, 5, 13, we are left with $445.13. So now we want to saving funds. When it comes to the saving funds, most of mine are online with Ally and Capital One. Hopefully this is still in frame, and yes, it is. So let me just zoom you guys in a little bit. So let's go ahead and get through this. So I haven't went through and written the starting balance. I'll do that in a different video. And this is what I typically want to add for February, and then we'll leave a blank for the total. When it comes to medical, we want to do 30 bucks. We always want to give medical some cash. When it comes to car maintenance always get some cash, and I need to clock out, so let me do that now. Comes to my birthday, as of right now, I'm not going to do anything. When it comes to Christmas is not getting anything. When it comes to gifts, since Valentine's Day is pretty much here, I want to do 50 bucks. When it comes to vacation, not sure where we're going, when we're going, but we're going to do 40 bucks. When it comes to as if I had a car savings challenge, well, it's not a savings challenge for as if I had a car, but it's Kris Budgets 26 bi-weekly savings challenge. I just want to do 60 bucks, and I only want to do 60 bucks because I do have a few $100s set aside that I can put towards that savings challenge. I'm just waiting to see what I truly want to do. So get a month ahead. Get a month ahead is getting about $30. When it comes to random savings is getting 20 bucks. When it comes to travel, I'm not sure when I'm going back home to see my mom, but I may need some cash whenever I do so. So it's going to do, well, it's going to get 40 bucks. For buy me a coffee, y'all definitely check out Budgeting Just Because. Support the budget community. For buy me a coffee, I'm going to do $10 this month for extra Roth. Now guys, I finally sent all of the cash that I was saving for my Roth IRA account to Fidelity. So when the stock market opened up on Monday, well, I may wait until Tuesday. I have a lot of things I need to buy. I'm not really sure what I want to buy, but I'm going to figure it out. That way I can buy some stocks or EF funds or whatever at a low price. So extra Roth is getting through Operation Move. If this truly happens, I'll need cash for that. So that's getting 50 bucks. When it comes to girls trip, remember what I said in my previous videos about girls trip. Trust me, I'm not in a rush. There's no telling when we would go anywhere. When it comes to rideshare is just money set aside just in case Travis end up using Uber or Lyft to go from here or there. So we do want to set aside 80 bucks. Now all rideshare is paid for with my Discover card. So this is money that's just setting aside so it can be paid back. So let's go ahead and get this added up to make sure that it equals to $445.13. So we have 30 plus 30 plus 50 plus 40 plus 60 plus 30, 20, 40, 10, 13, 50, 80. So this is it, $445.13. That does mean that we have a zero base budget. Also guys, I do want to spend a little more time with my sister since she is here in Nashville. Favorite restaurant is Old Charlie, and they do not have one where she lived. They had one, but they closed it down. So she is dying to get to that restaurant. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.